I just want to make a shout out to all my family members who watch me and are going to be following this journey with me. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Dad, I love you. Matthew, Inez, Aria, if you're seeing this, I love you very much and I can't wait to see you. And we'll see each other again soon. I love you. So right now I'm going to Winco and I'm gonna go buy pizza dough and a couple other things to make homemade pizza. Come with me. And we're gonna take the van and I'm gonna show you guys the van today, which is exciting because I haven't showed you my van yet. Goodbye. This is my little casita. I'm gonna go shopping. Okay, it closed. So I'm gonna go shopping right now. Going to Winco. I'm gonna get some dough and pizza toppings and I have the rest of the ingredients at home, but I'm gonna get stuff to make homemade pizza today. I'm pretty excited. This is the van. I'm gonna be staying in this van for 2 months in San Diego for school, and I'm really excited. After those 2 months, I'm just gonna be in Washington to personal train and stuff like that, and then finish off my lease here. And after my lease is over, then my little family and I are gonna move into the van and live in it full time and travel, and we're really excited. Stay tuned for that. I'm scared it's gonna fall. I'm so scared my camera's gonna fall, you don't even know. Okay, so right now I'm just warming the van up because she's been turned off for a couple weeks and I'm just waiting for her to warm up so that way we can be on our way. And this is gonna take a while. It's 2 and Trista gets out at 2:38, so we have to bust the mission to the store to go get the pizza ingredients. Parked one over there. Now we're going to Winco. Okay, so we're leaving Winco now and I secured the bag. Oh, don't look at that. That's a surprise for Trista. Don't look. So I'm leaving Winco right now, and by the way, parking the van is very difficult. It's not very difficult, but it is a challenge for sure. Now I'm on my way home and Trista's on her way home too, so let's see who makes it first. Nothing on your mind, maybe you were thinking about yourself all the time. I used to wish you were mine, but that was what I haven't been in my van in I haven't driven it in like a month almost. So I haven't driven it and it's been raining, it's been snowing, it's been extreme weathers. I'm having some issues with my batteries right now, but it's still powering everything. Everything still works. It's just not working at its full capacity. I just realized that there's a bunch of water coming out of the lights here. And the lights are still working, which is good, but there's a bunch of water leaking. And I gotta check on that before I leave for San Diego. Yeah, and for those of you who don't know, I'm gonna be going to San Diego for a personal training internship. I'm not certified yet, so I'm training my brother and Trista and myself, which, you know, it's a process. I'm learning from my mistakes, I'm learning from my own experiences, and it's great. And I'm really excited. The only part that's like a con of this whole thing is that I'm gonna have to leave my family behind for a little bit. My close family. you know, my babies, and that's so sad. And I don't want to do that for 2 months, but you know, it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out for us, and we're gonna make it happen, and it's gonna be okay. And I'm really excited, and I love it, and I can't wait till I have my own setup, and I have my own gym, and I can, you know, invite you guys and have you guys, whoever's willing to train with me, you know, like. Yeah. My baby's home. She's recording too. How funny. She's recording on her camera. That's so cute. I love that. Okay, I just got home and she beat me. She beat me here, so I'm so excited to see her. Thanks for coming to my rant. See you later. Bye.